She kept a wedding invitation for 10 years. Did not open it. Did not throw it away. One rainy evening changed everything. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 10 English words and a story about friendship and second chances. This is day 8. Let's begin. Welcome back to day 8. Here, we learn English through real feelings and real life. Today's story is soft, emotional, and relatable. The words are easy, but the lesson is deep. Let's start. This is Priya. She is 28 years old. She works at a hospital in Pune. Priya is organized and practical. But inside her drawer, there is an old envelope, a wedding invitation. It came in 2015. It was from her best friend, Meera. Priya and Meera were very close. They shared everything. But one small argument changed their friendship. Priya doesn't remember the fight clearly. She only remembers the silence after it. When Meera's wedding invitation arrived, Priya felt nervous. She wanted to go, but she felt ashamed. She thought, what if Meera doesn't want me there? What if I spoil her happy day? So Priya did nothing. She didn't open the invitation. She didn't reply. She just kept it. Years passed. Life moved on. But Priya always felt guilty. One day, a friend called her. Meera is pregnant, the friend said. She was asking about you. Priya was shocked. She still remembers me? That night, Priya opened the invitation. Her hands were shaking. Inside, there was a note. Priya, you are my sister. Please come. I miss you. Tears filled her eyes. Priya sent a short message. I'm sorry. Can we talk? The reply came quickly. I was waiting for this. They met the next day. No anger. No blame. Only smiles and memories. That day, Priya learned something important. Some relationships don't end. They only wait. Before we move to the vocabulary, pause for a moment. You just felt a story. Now let's turn that feeling into words. These next 10 English words are not random. They come directly from Priya's story. Learn them slowly. Because when words connect with emotion, you never forget them. Word number 1, delicate. Meaning, fragile, needing careful handling. Example, the situation was delicate and emotional. Word number 2, inseparable. Meaning, always together, very close. Example, they were inseparable as children. Word number 3, spiral. Meaning, to get worse quickly. Example, a small argument spiraled into silence. Word number 4, shame. meaning feeling of guilt or embarrassment. Example, shame stopped her from reaching out. Word number 5, guilt. Meaning, feeling bad about something you did or didn't do. Example, guilt followed her for years. Word number 6, mutual. Meaning, shared by both people. Example, they had a mutual friend. Word number 7, tremble. Meaning, to shake slightly from emotion or fear. Example, her hands trembled as she opened the letter. Word number 8, incomplete. Meaning, not whole, missing something important. Example, she felt incomplete without her friend. Word number 9, profound. Meaning, very deep and meaningful. Example, she learned a profound lesson about forgiveness. Word number 10, bridge. Meaning, here, a connection between people. Example, some bridges can be rebuilt with honesty. Now, let's practice. Say each word with feeling. Delicate, inseparable, spiral, shame, guilt, mutual, tremble, incomplete, profound, bridge, beautiful. Let's revisit the story using today's words. Priya and Meera were once inseparable. A delicate argument spiraled into years of silence. Shame and guilt kept Priya from responding. A mutual friend reconnected them. Priya's hands trembled when she opened the invitation. Meera felt incomplete without her. Priya learned a profound truth. Some bridges are never truly broken. That's how vocabulary becomes unforgettable. When it lives inside a story you feel. Let's make this fun and interactive. Answer these 3 quick questions in the comments below, and I'll reply to every learner who participates. Question number 1. What does spiral mean? Question number 2. Have you ever felt guilt about something you didn't do? Question number 3. Use profound in a sentence about your own life. Today, you learned English through emotion. And you learned something more. It's never too late to say sorry. Like, subscribe, and save this video. Day 9 is coming with another real story. Keep learning. Your English is growing, slowly and surely.